Hey everyone, in this video I want to quickly show you how I made the reading time field which automatically adds a reading time in minutes after I update one of my posts. So it's a blog. I'll first show you what it looks like in my admin panel in PayloadCMS. So I have the blog, and here you will see the reading time in minutes. A blog has a few fields, but the content field is the most important one. If I would take this code and make it a bit longer, publish the changes, if I go back to the post, you will see that the reading time is now 5 minutes. So how does this work? It's pretty easy. The first step is to go to your collection. Let me just make this a bit bigger, hide this one. What I did is added a hook, a before validate hook, which calls this method. The other thing I did is add the reading time field. So you can see I just added this simple reading time field, which is a number, and it's set to hidden. What this means is that you won't see it here in this view. You do, however, can show the column and filter on it. What you can also do if you want to completely hide it is set these to true. So this will make sure that I can't show this column, and this will make sure I can't filter on it. You see it already updated here. So now it's gone from here. Yeah, so let me show you the method. I'm going to delete these again. So this calls the generate reading time hook. So what does this hook do? For clarity, I just post this in my, I add this to my hooks folder in my project. So here I check if it's create or an update operation. We want to fetch the editor config. All this code I just copied over from the docs. In the documentation there's an example of how to use this. What this does is this uses the requests, passes the config, and this convert lexical to HTML will convert the lexical, so the rich text field, to HTML, because we need to know the reading time, so we need to have it all in text and not in a nested array. I pass my content field, and then what I do is I call this calculate reading time function, which is pretty simple. These two lines remove the HTML tag, so we have clean text, and the 200 words per minute is the average reading time for a person. And then we return this value, so the amount of words divided by the words per minute. And we seal it, so we round up. What this does, so it's important from this hook that we return the data, which is all the previous data in this collection when we're creating or updating, and we add reading time, which we calculate here on the fly. So that's it.